Hello, and welcome to this quick guide on managing your payments with Neon. Understanding how your bank handles recurring payments is crucial for smooth personal finance, and we're here to clarify how Neon specifically manages standing orders and direct debits. Neon is designed to be a modern, easy-to-use digital bank account, and yes, it absolutely supports both standing orders and direct debits. These two payment types, though similar in effect, function quite differently under the hood. A standing order is an instruction you give to your bank to pay a fixed amount of money to a specified account on a regular, set schedule. For example, you might set one up for a monthly savings transfer or a rent payment where you control the amount and frequency. Direct debits, on the other hand, are payments where the recipient, the company or service provider, is authorized to withdraw money directly from your account. This is the common method for utility bills, phone contracts, or subscriptions where the payment amount can vary from month to month. With Neon, you can easily manage these. Once you provide your Neon account details, IBAN and BIC, to a company, they can initiate the direct debit process. Managing these recurring payments is straightforward within the Neon app. For standing orders, you initiate and control the setup, modification, or cancellation directly in the app's payment section. For direct debits, they will appear in your transaction list once processed. If you need to stop a direct debit, you'll generally need to contact the company you authorized the withdrawal with first, though you may also be able to block the mandate through the bank depending on their service features. Neon aims for transparency, ensuring all your recurring payments are clearly visible so you can maintain full control over your finances. It's a seamless system built for modern banking convenience. Thanks for watching.